Hello friends and welcome back to another nail art video. Today I'm going to show how you can create this very easy Halloween nail art designs. These designs are perfect if you have short or medium sized nails. This first design is a very easy spider web nail art which I've made on my thumb. For this, apply white polish on your nails, and when it is dry, using black polish, draw the spider web as shown. Finally, seal in the design with a layer of glossy top coat. Design number 2 is a very easy patchwork nail art. For this design, create some patterns using different colors on your nail. You can create dots, stripes, lines, or any kind of pattern that you like. And finally, give the design a black colored border with some stitch marks. The final step, as usual, is to give a glossy top coat to the design. The third design is a black bat on the nail. The fourth design is a zombie pumpkin, and this one is one of the easiest designs to create. The fifth and the last design is a ghost. I've made the ghost on one side of the nail, but you can create it in the central part also. And once the design dries off, give it a layer of glossy top coat. And that brings us to the end of this video. I hope you like these very easy nail art designs, and thanks for watching.